Today we're talking about Good Ink, and more specifically, we're talking about Good Ink photography expeditions. The reason we're talking about photography expeditions is because we have one coming up in October 3rd. We will be going with a group of photographers to the Mendocino area for a day trip of fun, exploring photography, and just overall good time. So if you're not familiar with what Good Ink is, I manage a photography community called Good Ink here in the Sacramento, kind of Northern California region. We host photo meetups. We do expeditions. We have a membership. We've done workshops in the past, haven't done a workshop in a while. We do networking events, all kinds of photography related events. One of the things that we do are expeditions, which are essentially curated experience road trips that I plan. I started doing these in 2016, I think, was the first official one. Everything that I do with Good Ink kind of came from suggestions from people within the community. Kind of started doing photo walks back in the day, and over time people started asking for different things. Oh, we should do this or we should do that. So everything I do kind of formed or kind of grew in that way. So I started doing my own personal road trips to different places around mostly the West Coast. Excuse me. And I got a bunch of messages from people like asking me, hey man, can you take me, or can you show me, how to get there, or can I go with you next time you go? And I got enough messages of people asking that I did a really kind of small test run with a group of close friends. I rented a big SUV, took 5 people to Death Valley, stayed overnight. We camped. It was crazy. It was an absolute blast though. Like, the experience of traveling with a group of creatives with the purpose of creating is like unlike any other experience, man. It's absolutely, it's incredible. I don't, if you go on a road trip with another person who has the same mindset, the same goals, and the same objectives as you, it's so much better than going on a trip with someone who's not as interested in doing what you're trying to do, right? Like, you go on a road trip with your girlfriend who doesn't shoot photography, right? And you're like, I want to make all these stops and I want to check out all these places to get photos, and I want to shoot overnight, and I want to get up early for sunrise. And they're like, your girlfriend's like, nah, we're not doing that. I'm not into that, right? Like, it's impossible to do a real photography road trip either with someone who's not as interested in photography, right? Like, it doesn't work. So that's why the photo expeditions make so much sense. So that's kind of how I started doing it. Over the years, it grew. We expanded from SUVs to like caravans to now what we have are the big Sprinter vans. So the typical kind of expedition experience, we've been doing mostly day trips here recently. We have done overnight trips. We're in Sacramento, which is a prime location for doing these types of trips because Sacramento is centrally located to where we can get to so many different incredible locations within like 3 to 4 hours. We've done Santa Cruz, Big Sur, Yosemite, Shasta, San Francisco, Marin County, Point Reyes. We've done Death Valley, the Eastern Sierras, Tahoe. There's so much, man, that we can get to within a relatively short drive that we're in the perfect location to just load up a van, take a bunch of photographers, and go. So we started, we stopped doing them during COVID, obviously for obvious reasons, and started back up in 2023 with a smaller group, and have kind of been building back up to where we are now. I did 3 expeditions last year. We did Big Sur, the Eastern Sierras, and I'm blanking on the other one. Slowly kind of building back up to doing these expeditions. I stopped this year just because like there's so much uncertainty with gas prices, and things were getting really crazy. That's definitely calmed down now. It's kind of, the gas prices are still really high, but they've kind of leveled off. Like, if gas prices are high, I can deal with that. What I can't deal with is the unpredictability of gas prices, right? Like if I don't know, if I plan a trip 2 months out and then 2 months later gas is $6 or $7, that's what makes it really hard for me. So put a pause on things, but now we're coming back. So we're going to Mendocino for another Good Ink expedition. What makes these expeditions really special is obviously, number one, you're with a group of other creatives with the goal of getting awesome photos. So that makes it a kind of really photography focused road trip experience. Like I said, traveling with anyone who's not a photographer and trying to do a photography trip is really hard. So that makes it really fun. Also having fellow creators with you, next to you, that you can learn from, that you can get inspired from, and that you can like just kind of, you know, build camaraderie with, and you know, just kind of enjoy the experience with another photographer is really cool. We also bring models on the trip. Usually we have 2 to 3, sometimes 4, depending on the size of the group. So if you are not necessarily just a landscape photographer, you have models as well. And if you are a portrait photographer, you have the opportunity to shoot the models in absolutely incredible locations, but you can shoot landscape photos as well. So that makes for a really well-rounded experience. One of the biggest perks is I personally will be driving. So I do all the driving. I do all the planning. I scouted Mendocino last year. I've been there before, but I always do a scout trip. Or actually, no, I'm sorry, it was earlier this year. I always do a scout trip where I'll go, drive the route, check all the parking spots, and literally do the trip before we go to make sure everything runs smoothly. So it's really just a curated experience where you as a photographer really don't have to do anything. You don't have to set up shoots with models. You don't have to scout locations, find locations, worry about parking, pay for the state parking pass, like all those things that go into doing a road trip, pay for gas, and all those things that go into a road trip are all kind of handled by me and my team. Shout out to Abel, Johnny, and Marcus. And you as a photographer really just kind of jump in the back. You can sleep the whole time if you want. You can hang out, chat with other people, and just kind of enjoy the ride and go along for the ride. So I'm excited for Mendocino. I think that one's going to be a ton of fun. I'm excited to just kind of keep this thing going. Eventually I want to get back to doing overnight expeditions. The last one we did, I think, was the Eastern Sierras. We had a huge cabin. Those are really cool because people build really good, really strong bonds on those, and people create like legitimate friendships on those trips. So those are really cool, man. So we'll get back to the overnight ones soon, but this one's going to be a day trip to an incredible area and a ton of fun. So that'll do it for this video. Excited for the expedition coming up on October 3rd. If you're looking for information, I'll put it down below. Stay tuned for more here on the channel as well. More Good Ink stuff, more photography stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video.